Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Emily and it's lovely to have you here, so welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a David's Tea haul. A lot of the teas are fall teas. I need to just stock up on a couple favorites, so very excited to share a look at the new teas in my tea collection. Speaking of which, I did finally film a tea collection video. This was a really requested video since you guys found out my love of tea, which I think I'm sure I've had requests since 2016, I think is when I started on YouTube. So very excited to share a look at the different teas in my collection. If you want to find that video, I'll leave a link up above the top of the screen right now on where you can find it. And I did sort that video through chapters. So if you have a particular type of tea that you really love and you want to see what teas I have in that category, just go to the chapter because it is quite a long video, quite long. So definitely make sure to bring a cup of tea with you to watch that video. It's quite long, but very excited for you guys to see that tea collection video. But anyway, I'm rambling about tea collection and we're here to discuss the different teas I picked out from David's Tea recently. I'm very excited to share a look at those teas with you. So if you're ready, of course, make sure to grab your own delicious cup of tea. I'm enjoying, spoiler alert, some pumpkin Earl Grey tea from my David's Tea haul. It's already telling you one of the teas I picked up, but this one is so good. It's so delicious. I'm actually going to be sharing how I like to make it as a tea latte in, I think it's going to be an upcoming video, but you may already see, they might have already been posted for this video. So if so, I'll leave a link up above the screen on where you can find it. I'll come back later and add a link on where you can find that video. But anyway, let's head on into today's video. Virtual cheers. All right, so here is a look at my David's Tea box. I opened up the top. I'm excited to see what's inside the box. So I actually got a nice little thing of coupons to use at David's Tea. I'm very excited to use those. And then here's a very quick look at all the different teas you guys are going to see up close. And then here's my little dog Dinah. She was very happy that I was so excited to have my David's Tea order. She wanted to sniff test a lot of the teas. And then her and Alice started playing as I was like unboxing this too, which was adorable to watch. Now for the first tea we're going to highlight, I wanted to do these in order, so I was pulling them all out at the same time, is the pumpkin Earl Grey. You're going to see this in quite a few of my videos. It's been like a tea that I've been enjoying having when I get home and I need a little bit of a caffeine boost, especially when I need to study. It's really good. It has just this lovely, really like a pumpkin Earl Grey flavor, and I really love making it as a latte. That being said, stay tuned because I am going to be doing a video about my favorite autumn themed Pandora bracelet. And I'm also going to be sharing my little recipe about how I like to make this as a tea latte. So if you'd like to see that video, stay tuned. I'm really excited to share a look at it. Now moving along, we have one of the teas that I have loved for such a long time. It is the pumpkin chai tea from David's Tea. Speaking of lattes, this is so delicious. And my favorite detail is the tiny little pumpkin sprinkles inside of it. It just warms my heart when I see those little adorable pumpkin sprinkles. I love it. Now, I am going to just do a disclaimer because a lot of you who follow me know that I can't have dairy. And I learned, I don't know, it was last year or 2 years ago, that this has dairy in it. And I was shocked. And it's made me second guess every time I've enjoyed a cup of this if I had a mild reaction to the dairy. So I ordered some more and I'm nervous. I'm nervous to have it because I'm like, what if I was reacting to it? Because I'm so sensitive to dairy, I get a rash, like my mouth gets itchy, but I didn't have any of that type of reaction to the dairy when I had it in this tea. So I'm assuming that it's okay. Now the other tea that you're seeing here is a matcha. It's a toasted marshmallow matcha. Now, when I got this, I thought I hadn't had it before, but then I was rewatching one of my older David's Tea haul videos, and I have had it before, and I must have loved it because I finished it all and I forgot somehow about it. So it was really good. I already made some, and it's very good. It's very sweet, but I really enjoyed it. I'm a big marshmallow lover, by the way. Now, the other tea I picked up, I actually had some points, so I redeemed my frequent steepered points, and I picked up some more Grand Cru matcha. This is a really nice matcha, and I'm every morning, I need a delicious matcha latte, so this is a really nice latte. And now this is going to be no surprise to anyone who follows my tea videos. I ordered, of course, more Organic the Skinny. It's an oolong pu'erh tea. It has ginger in it, and it's just like an everyday staple tea for me. Like, I love having this in that like around 2 o'clock where you just need a little gentle caffeine boost to get you through the rest of the day. This is probably my go-to tea. I just love it. It's so comforting to me. It's great for your digestion, of course. And again, it's like about a medium level of caffeine, sorry. So it just gives you that little bit of a push. Now, another tea I love for that caffeine boost and the taste is the Jasmine Oolong Tea. It combines basically two of my favorite types of tea, green tea and oolong tea. And they classify this one as an oolong tea. And it's just so good. Like, and it's like the little pearl balls. So as you guys can kind of see here. So it gently opens up as it's steeping in the warm water. And it's just beautiful to look at. It's just very, like the smell of jasmine is just very calming in the tea. And I just love it. So this one was a new like discovery tea for me this past year. And it's just been a staple. Now we cleared out the box. These are all the different teas, all the different David's teas I picked up. Very excited about this. As I mentioned, I've already made the toasted marshmallow since like filming this. I'm doing this voiceover now. Haven't really attempted making pumpkin chai. I made it for a friend and they loved it as a latte, but I haven't been so brave to try it myself again. I mean, I've had it before, so it should be okay, but anyway. And oh, here's my Halloween village, by the way. I'm so happy with how it turned out. And that is it for today's DAVIDsTEA tea haul unboxing. I hope you enjoyed seeing the different teas I picked out. Which one out of the ones I've shown would you want to try first? Let me know down in the comment section. If you are interested in trying out these teas or learning more about them, I will have the names and links on where you can find them in the description bar of this video. Now, I am an affiliate for DAVIDsTEA, so some of those links may be affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. As I am filming this, it is reading week right now, which is so lovely, and I'm going to be enjoying all the delicious cups of tea. I've been kind of relaxing a little bit, but now I'm kind of trying to get into gear, get a head start on some assignments, some readings, and also editing some content for YouTube over on here. So looking forward to that, and definitely going to be relying on all the delicious cups of tea, a little bit of caffeine boost to help me get through that. But anyway, I'm hoping you all have a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Take care. Happy October. Happy fall season if you're in this hemisphere of Canada. Hope it's a wonderful one, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye for now, you guys.